Don't you agree with me that we girls just love to shop? Starting from clothing, makeup, accessories, home decors, whatnot, we want to buy the entire world, but at times, unfortunately, we run out of money. And if this is the case with you, you have clicked into the right video. Hi guys, my name is Anindita, and today I'm going to show you the most affordable shopping haul of this 2021, and that is my Newmarket shopping haul. I'm running out of breath. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So in today's video, you will be able to see a lot of clothing items, makeup items, jewelry and hair accessories. Let's start with the clothing item first. Let me show you all my tops, guys. I'm really very excited. So this is a beautiful pink color top. As you can see, the neck is round and the sleeves are short, and I have got it only at rupees 100. Can you imagine? And the quality of the cloth is really good. If you are wearing this in summer season, you are going to feel super comfortable. Let me tell you that. I really love the quality of the cloth and the color of the cloth. Isn't it beautiful? So coming to the next top, this is the one, and it has a Mickey Mouse in front of it, as you can see, and the neck portion is round and the sleeves are short, and this is how it looks at the back. It is written, "Oh boy, I feel right at home," if I'm not wrong. This is also of superb quality, very soft and very comfortable. I got one more of this one, but the color is different, and this is it. Sorry, ulta pakri thi. So this is how it looks like. It is super cute, let me tell you guys. It is very cute, and the quality of the cloth is really comfortable. All of these tops are priced at only rupees 100. I just can't imagine you are getting such good quality tops only at rupees 100. So if you are in Kolkata, I will highly recommend you to go and buy these tops. I'm sure you are going to like it. This is the first time when I bought some pre-loved winter wears from Newmarket, and if you do not know what is pre-loved means used items. That means we normally call it second hand. And if you think why we should go for second hand or pre-loved clothes or winter wears, let me tell you, by going for pre-loved clothes or winter wears or anything, you are actually helping the environment a lot, and you are saving a lot of money of your own also. Now let me quickly show you the winter wears. If I wouldn't have told you guys, you never have understood that these are pre-loved winter wears. So as you can see, this is so jazzy, so pretty, and the color is so vibrant. And if you talk about the quality, trust me, I didn't understand only these are pre-loved, but looking at the price I understood that these are used items, but it looks so new. What you have to do, you have to just buy it, then wash it very nicely, and then you can easily wear it. It is super comfortable also. I have worn it, and it has a turtleneck, as you can see. So one more item is also there. Now let me show you the next winter wear, the next sweater. This is how it looks like. It comes in black and white, and let me tell you, the quality is really good. This is how the back portion looks like. If I wouldn't have told you that this is these two are pre-loved winter wears, you wouldn't have known. But let me tell you one thing. I wanted to inform you guys that in Newmarket, at a reasonable price, you are getting pre-loved clothes and winter wears, and I think a lot of other items also. I really don't know, but you should go there and visit that place if you are looking for something affordable and good looking. But if you are not in Kolkata, let me tell you, whenever you visit Kolkata, do visit Newmarket at least once. So guys, are you liking this hairband? So I bought actually 3 hairbands. As you can see, it has sequence work on it, and it is, my hair is messed up, but it's okay. It is really so pretty, as you can see, and it is priced only at rupees 50. Now let me show you the next one. Now this is also a hairband, and it looks super pretty. I'm going to show you, I'm going to wear and show you guys. So this is how it looks. It changed your look overall. I can see myself right now in the camera. So yeah, it changes your look and you look superb and when you wear it. So this one also is priced at rupees 50, but you need to just bargain with them. And the last one is this one. This is like the game changer. Okay, this is superb. I just love this one the most. Let me wear it and show it to you guys. So this is how I am looking in this headband, and my entire look has changed. So I will highly recommend you to go there and buy one for you. Next I'm going to show you a earring. Now this earring is priced at rupees 250, but the quality of these earrings are just superb, very good, and I really like it, and it looks really pretty on me. This is the next piece of earring which I got for myself, and this is something which will suit each and every Indian outfit, and I got it only at rupees 100. Can you imagine? I got this cute little pair of earring only at rupees 100. It is really very cute. It has a pom pom in it. It is very lightweight, and it is very quirky, and I really like it. Next I have bought one neck piece, and this is really pretty. Now this is how the neck piece looks like. It has a tassel, as you can see. Now just pay just little bit attention. It has multicolor stones in it. How the neck piece looks on me, and it gives a very classy look. And the best part of this neck piece is it can be worn with Indian wear, and it can be worn with Western wear also. I really like these multicolor stones. I am loving it, and the price of this one is 250. I bought this artificial plant also from New Market, and the price was only rupees 200. It has small pebbles, as you can see, and the quality of the plant is really good. I bought this artificial flowers only at rupees 100, and it looks beautiful on my table. As you can see, it is so pretty. Now guys, this time I bought some nail paints also, and all of the nail paints are of the same brand named Akash. Now this is a beautiful nude paint. Let me show you the applicator also. Now this is priced at rupees 50. I have one more nail paint which is priced at rupees 30, and that is a mirror nail paint. Let me show you that also. Now by the way, I am wearing this color only. I believe this color is a very beautiful nude color, and it is going to suit each and every skin type. Now one more nail paint is this one. Now this color is not suiting me, but if your skin tone is lighter than mine, definitely is going to suit you. This is also priced at 50, and this is the mirror nail paint regarding which I am talking. Now as you can see, this is a beautiful color, and it is going to suit each and every one of us. And this is how the applicator looks like, and this one is priced at only 30. It is really very affordable. Next I bought one Maybelline ka lipstick. Now this one I bought it from one store, but since I was filming this video and it was all about New Market, I thought why not include this one also in this video, and I'll try to provide a link of this lipstick down in the description box. You can check it out if you want. This shade is Mesmerizing Magenta. Let me give you a quick swatch of this. Now this is how the lipstick looks like. By the way, it's going to suit each and every skin tone. So yeah, it is a purple pinkish color, as you can see, and definitely it's going to suit every one of us, guys. It's a beautiful color. So guys, if you have liked this video, please leave a like, and do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Which was your favorite item from this haul? And definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't ever forget to hit that bell icon, because that is the connection between you and me. And stay safe, stay happy, and see you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care.